Hello everyone, this is my weekly video, what's going on this week for me, and also I'm combining it with what's happening in May. Okay, so yes, this week, tomorrow, Wednesday, I have my yoga 10:30 a.m. and then the Pilates at 4:30 p.m. at EOS Fitness, which is the Northwest location. So look that up and join me for class. All my regulars, I hope to see you, and always some new faces popping in. Okay, so let's see what's happening for May 2018. I have a lot of workshops that's online, so I'll post that. I have a lot of group pages, depends on what you're interested in. I love my social media, so I like to categorize the different wellness, holistic, if you will, practices that I teach. And if you're interested, you can join the groups. Some groups are private because you would have been certified through me, and then you get some extra information. So coming up this year, some Reiki certification, and I'll talk more about that later on. But what's happening in May 2018 is coming up. But first, to close out April, I have on the 27th, Friday, this Friday, in Boulder City at the Studio Mind Body, Carrie's Reiki workshop. I'm there with her and Gordon. So it is the full moon Reiki Gong meditation, facing our fears, embracing the experience. That's the title of our workshop. So we have Taurus season right now, which started on April 20th, right? And Taurus season will end on May 21st. And Gemini season kicks off. Okay, so in this workshop, full moon Reiki Gong meditation, we are going to talk about this particular full moon. I have some really good information for you guys, and so does Carrie and Gordon, and you get to understand the sound of the instruments, and understand how you should be feeling when you are experiencing the instrument, right? So you'll know what you're supposed to do in the workshops that I do. And we're going to present that to you guys April 27th in Boulder City. Okay, so definitely come on out. The information is on the event page here on Facebook. So this video will be on my main page, Chi Life Center. But definitely click on events so you can see all the events, okay? So that's on the 27th. And then on Saturday is the Om Fest. I will be there reading my tarot cards, Lily Sky Tarot. And that's an all-day event. It's Om Fest, O-M Fest, Las Vegas, or Om Fest Yoga. And I've been posting a lot on that, so you should see that information. I'm bringing up the event page right now. So Om Fest Yoga and Meditation Festival is going to be in downtown Summerlin on the lawn. All the information is there in the event page. And I'll probably just end up sharing links later on tonight or before I head out of all the events. That way you guys have them here in the comment section. But just ask questions. I'll be reading my tarot cards, Lily Sky Tarot. So that will be fun. And then for the gong meditation, I'll be playing my gong along with seven or six other gong players. So it's going to be a beautiful event with many different teachers teaching yoga. There's free kids yoga there. A lot of fun, a lot of food, music, fitness. So definitely check out the event page for that. They'll have all the information. Now moving on to May. Okay, so May 8th, I was asked again to do social media workshop. Now I hosted my first social media workshop maybe 6 years ago. I did it 6 or 7 years ago, so long ago. But I split it up in two. So there is May 8th and May 15th. So if you want to go to both workshops, there's a discount for that if you just want to go to one. But all the information is in the event page. Social media do's and don'ts. So everyone was asking me different questions about social media. If you know me, then you know that I've helped different people with their social media, and yeah, it's fun. I love it. Now May 8th also is the new moon lecture and meditation. I've really put together this new moon and full moon workshop. I've had it on and off, and hopefully this will go. I like to also do it online. That way I can reach more people and it's more secure. But I'm going to be at Naturally Organic Healing Center for the social media workshop. There's 2 workshops. Make sure you check it out. The new moon meditation. You guys will be learning about the new moon and why it's so important, and the history of it, which is very important, which a lot of people don't cover. That way you can have a deeper understanding and then find your connection to it. And I mentioned a lot about the zodiac and just your personal connection to that particular full moon. And you don't have to be born under that full moon. You can look at your chart and see how that particular full moon can help you with your meditation, your manifestation, things you're working on. It really all connects and ties in, and you just have to know how to use that. Now, my last EFT workshop went very well, and I was requested to do a EFT workshop on weight loss. So I'm going to be doing that on May 10th. Okay, and that's Thursday at 11:30 a.m. right? And let's see. Also later on in the day, on the 15th at 5 p.m. is the full moon lecture and meditation. And I like doing the workshops a couple of weeks ahead, or a couple of days ahead, maybe a week ahead. That way you already know what you're doing, and then you can receive the link to a particular mantra, meditation, or if you have a certain request, then I can make a video for that. That way it helps you to remember what you're supposed to do that day. So you can check out my YouTube channel. And there's some more events that I have not added yet for May, and I will add that. So this video will also be on my video blog on my website that is still being built. So the new website is still being built. So when you click over there, not everything will be on the website, but that's okay, because it's getting built and I'm really proud of it and I'm really happy about it. So yeah, I really want to focus on my group pages here on Facebook. That way I can get a lot of people on it that are interested in essential oils, EFT tapping, Reiki. Okay, I just separate them out so that we all have that little group, if you have that little niche that you really like under wellness, holistic, right? And the main page that this video is on, if you're watching on She Life Center, this is like the mother page, and then we have our little hubs of group pages. Okay, so I hope to see you guys at Naturally Organic Healing Center. So that's where I'll be hosting a lot of my event. Thank you for allowing me the space to host the event, and with a lot of balance and community. So I hope to see you guys there. I'm going to upload this video now. I have a lot of other things to get to. Someone just commented on my video. Let me see what they... Okay, this one is for the Om Fest. So we're getting some comments on here for that one. And yeah, so I will see you guys. If you have any questions, please ask. If there's a workshop that you requested for me to do that I have not posted yet, please post it, your comments, so I know what it is that you've requested. I know some of you want to make more oils. I just did a Van oil, which is so good to cleanse your house of negativity and the people that lived there before. So it goes under like my house blessings that I do, and I teach people how to do that. And all of that's going to be in my Reiki certification. Okay, so there's so many Reiki circles, and I love to teach, and I do that individually. So I think the Reiki certification will be a great place for me to house all the information that I think is missing from that. But I'll do a separate video on Reiki. I think I'll do that next. All right, guys, I'll see you. Have a good April until May.